What's going on, guys? Nick here with Voodoo Mods, here to do a tutorial on how to activate your two-step using the Voodoo Box and your cruise control. So first we're going to plug in our Voodoo Box and let's go ahead and connect. Now we're going to go over to configure so we can see the device's current settings, and we'll see that nothing's set. So let's go over to the website and see what wiring we have available to us. We're going to choose cruise control main button trigger for this project. Let's go ahead and download that file. There's my file, and I'm going to upload that file to port number 1. So there's my two-step file uploaded. Now I'm going to save it to the box. I can see info saved right here. And let's go ahead and close out and unplug, and we'll take this out to the car. Alright, so when installing this box, on here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus and minus. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are your ports. Plus is your voltage input. And ground is just there if you absolutely need it. Don't put more than an amp circuit through it. We're not going to use ground, so we're just going to use positive for the input voltage and port 1 for our cruise control two-step activation. So here we can see on our screw terminal, this is our voltage in. And it's coming into the 5th point, and that's the plus. And then the orange comes from our two-step unit. So we have our Lingenfelter box, which has been routed to come all the way through and behind the dash and everything. So this is routed down here, and all we're going to do is we're going to plug this into the box real quick. Now the other side, you're going to take your DB9 serial cable, and you're going to plug that in. And then we do our OBD2 right up there. Make sure that's on. Now we're going to start her up. Whenever I press this, that light comes on. That light signifies that you have 12 volts going to that port. So if I press this and I gas it a little, so that's it, guys. That's how you use your Voodoo Box to activate your MSD or Lingenfelter two-step. Stay tuned for more.